Hello, my students. How are you? This is your English teacher, Aya Rajal. The lesson today is a story, which is The Night. Okay, but before we will start with this story, we will remember the story that we read last time. Okay? Who can tell me what was that story? Who can remember? Thank you, Ya Ahmad. Ben and Lucy got a treasure map and they should read the symbols that on that treasure map. But Horax and Zilda want to follow them to get that treasure map. Thank you. Now, this is the story, The Night, our story today. But before we will start, we should listen to this story. So listen well.
Student's Book, pages 14 and 15. 1. The Explorers. The Night.
Okay, in this story, Ben and Lucy should read the first line of the rhyme. Why? To get the treasure map. Okay? Here, Zilda and Horax are also want to get the children and their map. Okay. Is it an interesting story? Is it an interesting story? Okay. Yes. Now let's answer the questions. Who sees the night first? Who can tell me? Yes, Ahmad. Thank you. Lucy sees the night first. Thank you. Who finds a place to hide? Yes, Ya Khaled. Thank you. then finds a place to hide. Thank you. Who is on a lead? Yes, Yalina. Thank you. Buster is on a lead. Thank you. The next one. Who has a brilliant idea? شو يعني? What's the meaning of a brilliant idea? Yes, فكرة ذكية. Okay, who has a brilliant idea? Lucy. Thank you, يا بسمة. The next one. Who sees the shield? Yes, يا خالد. Thank you. Ben sees the shield. The last one. Who doesn't feel very well? Thank you. Horace doesn't feel very well. Thank you. Now, let's answer question number 1. Remember the story. Read and write it true or false. What's the meaning of true? يعني صح. Or false يعني خطأ. Okay. The first one. Someone is trying to hurt Lucy and Ben with a shield. Is it true or false? Thank you. False. The next one. The night comes after them. Is it true or false? Yes, يا بسمة. Thank you. True. The next one. The night finds Lucy and Ben. Is it true or false? Yes, يا خالد. Thank you. False. The night does not find Lucy and Ben. Thank you. The next one. The night falls down the stairs. Is it true or false? Yes, يا محمود. Thank you. True. The next one. Lucy and Ben find a rhyme on the knight's sword. Is it true or false? Thank you. False. Lucy and Ben don't find a rhyme on the knight's sword. Thank you. The last one. The knight was Zelda. Is it true or false? Thank you. False. The knight wasn't Zelda. Thank you. Now, let's move to question number 2. Read and write the words. Chase. What's the meaning of chase? Thank you. يلاحق. Queen. Children. Night. Dressing. And going. Now let's read together. Zelda. I am dressing up as the... Thank you. Knight. I am dressing up as the knight when the children come into the museum. Thank you, Ya Ahmad. I am going to scare them. Thank you. Then I am going to chase them. Thank you, Ya Halima. You can be the queen. Thank you. Okay, Horace. This is a rhyme, okay? Now here, let's think together. Draw lines and complete the sentences. Here we have Nature Museum, Science Museum, and History Museum. Okay? And we will classify these into Nature Museum or Science Museum or History Museum. Are you ready? Okay. The first one, the dinosaur. The dinosaur is from the Nature Museum. Here the dinosaur is from Nature Museum. Thank you. The next one, the owl. The owl belongs to... Thank you. The owl is from the Nature Museum. Okay. The next one, the motorbike. This is motorbike. belongs to. Thank you. The motorbike is from the Science Museum. Thank you. Next one, the shield. This is the shield. Belongs to. Thank you. The shield is from the History Museum. Thank you. The next one, the plane. The plane, this is the plane, belongs to. Thank you, Science Museum. The plane is from the Science Museum. Thank you. The night. The night belongs to History Museum. Thank you. The night is from the History Museum. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day.